Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make menu bar and dock always auto hide in Mac computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the system settings, and now on the left side you will see your desktop and dock. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here one option, automatically hide and show the dock. Just enable it. Now you can see at the bottom the dock has been auto hidden. Now if you want to show the dock, then just move your mouse cursor at the bottom of your screen. Now the dock will show up as you can see here. So if I release it again, so you can see it will get auto hide. So this is how you can always hide your dock, and if you want to disable it, just turn off this option, then it will restore back to the default option. And now in order to hide the menu bar, just select this menu bar option. And now you can see the first option, automatically hide and show the menu bar. So by default in full screen only will be selected. Just click on it. Now you will see here always. So now it will always get hidden. Now if you want to show the menu bar, then just move your mouse cursor to the top of your screen, then the menu bar will get appear. And if I release it again, then it will get auto hide. So if you want to disable it, just click on this always option and select this in full screen only, or you can select the never also depending upon your needs. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make menu bar and dock always auto hide in Mac computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.